Okay, well, this is where I'm at. I'm trying to film this so I don't mess up too badly. These wires go to the pickup coil. It was both corroded off. At least this one for sure was corroded off. I'm pretty sure it was just nothing but a green inside of there. So this little wire on the left here went up to here. This longer leg here. And the hot side, when I was trying to find the find the one for the ground, this hot side, it goes right here, and it came apart too. So I had to dig them out. I'm hoping I can do a resistance reading, make sure it's not shorted, and obviously get a better wire in there. And somehow they had tape around it, obviously, to hold that up, so it wouldn't, tear them wires as it runs. Now, when I got in there, I don't know if I pulled or just. Hope I didn't tear anything, but it looks like I got into some of these windings a little bit on that pickup coil, and it's looking like I might have ruined it. Yep, it's broken right there. Maybe I'll try to solder it, but there's chances I might have broke other ones too. I don't know if you can see that or not. Probably not really. Yeah, there's one there and one there. It's not focusing in too good. Alright, well, it's not looking too good. And that little crunching sound, there's two diodes up here. There was covered with like white silicone. I broke this upper one here. And since there isn't a silver collar over here, I'm really not sure exactly which direction this is preventing the flow from going. This one's got the silver collar to the left, and possibly this one was on the right. So I guess it's right behind there. The silver collar was on the right on this one. It's dropped back behind there. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's down that orange stuff. So yeah, I'm not having a very good feeling about how this is going. So this might be looking at either complete revamp with AC Doco coil. I could try repairing it. I really have my doubts about the pickup coil, which is a very important component of this whole system. And so I don't know. It might just be that these wires corroded off, and that's what killed the motor. It was literally just sitting there idle and then just stalled, and it would not start back up. So it could be the wires in there is done. So I don't think that there's a sensor that will fit in there if I dig all that stuff out even. I don't know. I mean, it's quite iffy if I could find a sensor that even fit in there. I could try, but I've heated this up like 2 or 3 times. I don't know how many times you'd heat it up before you start ruining components inside of it. But this is the ignition coil over here to the left. And I guess I'm not really having a good feeling about this pickup coil. I'm not sure how to test this thing yet. This is the SCR thing. I think the guy from the forum said this is what fails the most. It's over my head a little bit. So anyways, that's it for the time being. Shall we do right out?